So this is very interesting. When we have the layout is brilliant. So sort vertical. It doesn't seem to work when it's horizontal. That's okay. Then we have select connected. You have Command C here. It should be just C. C does actually work. And Command C means copy. So please change this one to just C. Hide not selected is just spacebar, it's not Command spacebar, and it works beautifully on pressing it again. Everything is shown. Ideally, once I select something and do spacebar and it hides everything else, which is correct, when I then do spacebar again, ideally the originally selected item should be selected again. That would be very good. So I'm going to do a collapse. So I call this something wrong with my P. Collapsed. And I do this, and now it should appear somewhere central. I've noticed it appears off to the side. Let me see if I can find it. So if you can maybe make it center. So where is collapsed now? Oh, there it is. Okay. So if I now select it, it brings things back, which is perfect. That's as it should be. And then if I now click delete, it goes away. That is good. Let's do that again. Collapsed. Selection. I'll call it books. So now again I have to search for it, so don't have it there, please. Try to have it in the middle. It's there. It looks like it hasn't worked, but that's logically the way it is. So boom, it goes away. Now, it would be nice to be able to do this and do C and have these now be selected. But that may not logically be possible. But this is very good. Now, if I delete this, they come back anyway, so it really functions beautifully well. As far as the sorting is concerned, I think that works very well. So sort vertical, that's a typo, by the way. Please fix that. Boom. So now it's sorted. If I do it again, ideally it should be reversed. Yeah, now what I would like is when I do layout sort vertical again, that instead of 1, 2, 3 from above going bigger down, it should be the other way around. So that would be good. And I noticed the letter V is now not working. The letter H does, which is a bit odd. So I do this. Now, all the keyboard shortcuts have to work. So horizontal, no, it doesn't do that layout. Also, I'm going to turn off the mouse over lines here. We don't really need that. So that's an issue. So if I now select similar, that's just those guys. I should now be able to do, yeah, okay, I didn't manage to stack them. And put that up there. Vertical, okay, they're back. And now I do a collapse, Command Shift C. So this is what I would prefer to have. Boom, like this. So this is fine. When I click to move it, it's absolutely fine that it shows what it's hidden. But one thing I would like is if I now delete this, like this, and then I do a new one, the most recent name will automatically be here, because that will allow me to move these guys somewhere and then collapse again, and I don't have to retype the same thing again. That's just a workflow issue. So yeah, these are the comments on that so far. We have the layout here is the same. I'm going to make a mistake on purpose to see how it does it. So I do layouts, sort vertical, perfect, and then we will do layout left, moves things a bit, and then I'm going to collapse them. And, people, and where is now people? It seems a bit random, so we need a rule for where the where did it go? Yeah, I don't actually know where it went. That's odd. I guess we need a map or a view thing here where we go uncollapse everything. I'm gonna go out and in again, see if that helps. So it's not here, it's not here. If I do select A, yeah, it comes back, so it is somewhere. You may very well have noticed it. Ah, it's off screen somehow. That's probably it right there. So if I now press C, it should have that. If I do an arrow key, nothing happens. So that's a bit annoying. So I'll do... Ah, okay, I could actually manage to drag it in. So that's the kind of bug we need to deal with. So I'll just do that there. And then we can start working on different things. See, the thing is, I want to add these two people to the people list. It would be very nice if I could drag this across onto here and let go, and that would then automatically add them to this. If that's possible, please implement that. So these are the main issues. First of all, the typo for sort vertical, and when you collapse something, yes, you see now it's kind of forced in this direction. Now I can't go this direction. Just select everything. Yeah, when we make a new one to collapse, I'll say dates. Now that's somewhere weird. It shouldn't be. Here it is. So that needs to be sorted. But yeah, this is really beautiful. Thank you very much.